Ugh, this AI keeps giving me boring, generic scripts. I need something 10x better! Whoa! Whoa! Now that's more like it! Wait, what? Yes! This is exactly what I needed! Whoa. Time to write that 10x better script right now! This is gonna be epic!
Today I'm breaking down the exact 3-part prompt formula I use every day to make Claude. Grok and ChatGPT give me dramatically better, more useful, and higher quality results in just seconds. The best part is, you don't need any extra tools or paid subscriptions to use it. Step 1 is to always give the AI a clear role. You tell it exactly who you want it to be and what kind of expertise to bring. For example, you are a world-class YouTube scriptwriter with 10 years experience creating high-retention videos for tech channels. Step 2, be extremely specific with the task. Don't be vague. Clearly describe exactly what you want the AI to do, including any important details or constraints. Step 3, define the exact format and tone you want. For example, write it in a fast-paced, exciting style and keep the entire script under 300 words. With natural, conversational energy that sounds like a real person speaking. I literally just applied this exact 3-part formula with Grok to create the high-quality script you're hearing right now. So here's my challenge to you. Go try this 3-part formula on your very next AI prompt today. Drop a comment below and tell me which step made the biggest difference for you. If this tip helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more practical AI tips and tricks every week, and I'll see you in the next video.
Ready to elevate your experience? Try it now and comment below. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and join the future. Your next level starts today.